Oh, thank you. Thank you. That's my goal. I want to look cute. Oh, yes. Say hi. You're on YouTube. Maybe 8 weeks ago, I was considering selling my motorcycle and giving up because I spent so much time in the parking lot. I was getting bored and I felt like I wasn't getting anywhere. So what I just learned was how it may feel like you're not doing anything, but when you're working on like a little tiny things at a time, they're actually building up on themselves. And I recently read a book called Atomic Habits by James Clear, and he was talking about how, I believe it was the United Kingdom cycling team never won the Tour de France. They were like the worst team ever. And one of the new coaches decided if they could improve the team's performance by 1% in a whole bunch of different areas, then eventually they would compound on each other. So, for instance, they changed even the jerseys they were wearing. They found aerodynamic jerseys, and they changed their helmets, and they changed their pegs, and each little thing maybe just improved their performance by 1%. But after they made a whole bunch of changes, they had actually improved all those 1% added up to 300 and something percent. And that's ended up how much they improved their performance, and they ended up winning the Tour de France. So I was sort of going through, yeah, thank you. I was sort of going through that with my motorcycle, and as you can see, all the little things, this car just kind of pulled out in front of me, and I'm really good with my slow skills now. So had I not spent a year in the parking lot, probably would have dropped my bike. And this person's obviously not from California, so they don't know how to ride around motorcyclists. We have a pretty decent motorcycle culture out here. I feel like I know a lot of people that took the MSF course just for kicks and they don't actually ride. So there just seems to be a general an awareness. I really wish that they would teach more about motorcycles when you're learning how to drive, because I know that people don't realize that we can't stop short. A friend of mine got in an accident when she was like 17. She was on the back, and somebody was like making a left turn and kind of like cut them off. And she always wondered why the guy that was driving the motorcycle, why he gunned it and didn't stop. And she's like, wow, I had no idea. Hi, honey. See, my slow skills were good. That stupid truck pulled out right in front of me. I know. Oh, you can't hear me. Okay, never mind. See, I can hear everything because I'm on my bike is quiet. I really love this bike. It is so easy to maneuver. I still have it in custom mode. So I'm not lane splitting yet. We'll get to that. No, this is only like this is actually the first time I'm on really busy roads. I've left the back neighborhood. So while I was spending all this time in the parking lot, weaving in and out of cones, just like going and stopping with one foot down, and working on my tight U-turns, I felt like I wasn't getting anywhere, honestly. I felt like, oh, I'm a poser. I should sell my motorcycle. So I felt like I would never get out on the road. I'd never be comfortable. I'm watching all these people ride. I'm jealous. And then, like, the second time I was on a regular road, I was so comfortable, and I realized all of that work that I did in the parking lot totally paid off. Because the hard part is not driving fast. The hard part is dealing with, like, you know, that stupid truck that cut me off earlier. And had I not spent all that time just practicing my slow skills, I don't know that I would have been comfortable. I would have had to stop so short. So it's funny, a lot of these streets look so different on the motorcycle. I'm like, back onto that street. I'm not going to the beach on Saturday. All of the traffic is starting to, people are waking up, coming to the beach. The most wanted real estate in Los Angeles. People are just kind of living in their cars lately. It kind of blows. The real estate is just way too expensive out here. Okay, that's a tune. Where am I going then? Which way did I want to go? quitting. Don't feel like changing my motorcycle. I got the 1 foot down thing happening. I swear, even 2 months ago, I was having a hard time even picturing me. Like, I couldn't picture myself riding my motorcycle anywhere but the parking lot, I swear. I lost him.
He's the one who's out of luck.
Yeah. Everyone's confused by these.
Yeah. The traffic control dude. Is that electric?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
It's really awesome.
Beautiful.
I love it.
I'm sure it goes like fast.
It does. I have it set like there's a there's an app you can change it.
Yeah.
So I kind of set it to ride like a Honda Rebel 300. But I've been like bringing it up a little bit as I get used to it. So.
I just went to an electric car and I got the same thing. It's just so.
Oh, it has like.
So nails. Well, yeah, it has a governor. I can't go past 90, but I know how to, you know.
Yeah. I really wish though they would make a horn that sounds like vroom vroom, because people can't hear me.
It's so quiet.
It is. It's like.
It's silent.
You can't even tell when it's on. When it's running, it sounds like.
It's a beautiful bike.
Thank you. I love it.
Okay.
All right. Have a good one. Whoop. Hi, honey. Sorry about that. I got stuck at the light. Okay, lane splitting. Check. Oh, puppy dog. I love all dogs, big and small. Oh, look, I found one of my socks.